The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
You kind of get a front row seat to some of the more challenging and interesting cases that come before the court. On a daily basis, I do anything from criminal to civil work. I draft orders for the judge, bench memos, research areas of the law that he may have questions about. I'm Lori Thompson, and I'm a staff attorney.
Arastu Chaudhary, and I am a term law clerk.
I'm Lindsay Kim Chung, and I'm a term law clerk.
Uzoma Nkwanta, law clerk.
Amy Repberg, and I'm executive law clerk.
Lou Han, staff law clerk.
Noelle Barris-Stern, and I'm a supervisory staff attorney.
Regina Wan, law clerk.
Leslie Foxall-Petrus, staff attorney.
My name's Jeremy Heckheis, and I'm a term law clerk.
My name is Laura Orvald, and I am a career law clerk at the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Columbia. As a career law clerk at the Bankruptcy Court, it's my job to assist the judge in the performance of his duties, and also to make sure that things run smoothly in chambers.
I help him do research and writing. I do a lot of work with the attorneys that are presenting cases to us.
A term law clerk is a research and writing assistant to a judge. We differ from career law clerks in that we have a finite appointment.
Hi, guys.
There's so much variety here at the federal court that you get a real glimpse of what it's like to deal with a case both from the attorney's perspective but also from the court's perspective.
It's very exciting to work on high-profile cases.
From all kinds of criminal matters to all kinds of civil matters.
Bankruptcy is very subject matter specific. You do deal with a lot of state law issues in addition to bankruptcy law because the two sometimes intersect, and the issue that comes before us requires an interpretation of state law.
I enjoy the variety because it means that I have to learn something new every single day, and that's why I became a lawyer in the first place.
It's good to have excellent writing skills, excellent research skills,
and a curiosity to address whatever issue may come before you.
We really need people who are going to look very carefully at these cases and look for the needle in the haystack to make sure that no one's rights are being violated.
I feel like my work is having an impact. Individuals, corporations, government agencies, and that's very exciting for me.
There's never a day where I feel like I don't want to go in or it doesn't matter what I'm doing.
I feel like I'm an integral part of the justice system.
I came straight out of school. I wanted to spend a year learning from a mentor, from a judge who has been in the profession for a long time. And I also wanted to take some time to, help build on the skills I learned in law school.
I wasn't familiar with bankruptcy before I started. It's just been fascinating learning so much about bankruptcy.
I came from the private sector, and I find it really rewarding and actually more challenging than what I was doing at the law firm.
In private practice, you're forced to specialize. Malpractice insurance requires that. I can do half criminal, half civil, and then extraordinary diversity within each of those. And that's one of the best things I like about the job.
We're really working collaboratively with everyone in the court. I really thrive on that. I like being a team player.
My fellow clerks are top-notch lawyers, both the career and term clerks, who have great insights and experience. As they critique and evaluate my work, I feel that it makes me a better attorney.
A clerkship is a stepping stone to anything that you want to do.
And I had started as a staff attorney, and now as a supervisor, what I do is I help hire, train, and I supervise the work of the staff attorneys.
When you leave, you're going to be incredibly attractive to all sorts of legal employers, whether private or public.
Government, business, academia, and nonprofits all value the skills that one learns and acquires as a term law clerk.
If you really believe in the system, you like the issues that we're dealing with, and you really want to be part of a team, then I think it's a great opportunity.
The clerkship advisor was completely right. This is the best experience I could possibly have right out of law school.
Having a clerkship will definitely put me on the path to anything I would want to do.
I would say ask anyone who's ever been a law clerk for a federal judge, and I think they're likely to tell you it's the best job they ever had.
It's the most rewarding experience I can imagine as a young lawyer.